Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking this super delicious prawn vermicelli in Claypot. Vermicelli, some people also call it glass noodle. It is one of my favorite food for making soup and stir fry. Today's prawn vermicelli in Claypot is also a famous traditional Cantonese cuisine. Let's get started now and check out the ingredients first. I tried different origins vermicelli on the market. By far, I like Taiwanese made vermicelli the most in the aspects of texture, strength, and the closeness to my first bite memory 40 years ago in Hong Kong. I got this bag from Costco. We need 2 bottles of vermicelli. Soak them in 50 degrees Celsius warm water first. 6 medium-sized prawns. Separate the head and the body. Remove the dark line or the vine along the back of the prawn. I also saw some greenish texture in some prawns, and I believe they should be the reproductive glands for female prawns and are edible, but I removed them as well. Then trim the tail a bit and cut off the legs. I also trimmed the head a bit by cutting off the sharp points and remove the legs. Finally, wash the prawns thoroughly under the tap water. Marinate the prawns with 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cooking wine. Mix them all well and then put aside waiting for cooking. And then we need some garlic cloves, 1 additional medium-sized garlic clove, minced. 4 slices of ginger, 2 stalks of green onion, cut them around 5 cm long, another long straw of green onion, dice it to small pieces. Finally, half an onion, slice it and then separate the layers. These are all we need. Get the clay pot ready before cooking. Put the onion slices and the green onion stalks to the clay pot, and then we start cooking. Put 1 tablespoon oil to the hot pan. Pan fry the prawns to slightly brown on both sides. Then we put the ginger and the garlic cloves in. Keep pan fry the prawns until both sides turn to medium brown or slightly caramelized. Now we can transfer the body to the plate and leave the heads to the pan. Continue to cook. Pour in 300 ml of water, put the lid on and let it cook for 5 minutes. Five minutes later, the soup looks so beautiful and yummy. Put 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, half teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon sugar to the soup. Mix them all well and then sieve out the heads and the ginger and garlic because We only need the soup for the next step. Now it's time to drain the vermicelli water. Drain the water and wash it under the tap for a couple of times. It is not necessary to wash the pan. Heat up the pan with 1.5 tablespoons oil and then put the garlic mince in. Saute until the fragrance slightly released. Put the soup back to the pan and then add another 200 ml water in. Put the lid on, bring it to boil, let it boil for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, do a final taste testing. Add more salt if needed. We want the soup a little bit more salty than usual because it needs to season the vermicelli. Put the vermicelli to the soup and gives it a good stir for a few times. Now the vermicelli is soaked with the soup completely. And then transfer to the clay pot. Put the prawns on the vermicelli nicely. And then put the clay pot back to the stove. Put the lid on. Bring it to boil with high heat and let it cook for 1 minute. 1 minute later, look at it, how nice it is. Sprinkle the green onions on top. This yummy dish is done. Look at it, it is perfectly done. The vermicelli didn't stick to the clay pot and the soup is all absorbed by the vermicelli. Every strand of the vermicelli is coated with prawn sauce and they taste so scrumptious. Prawns are juicy and tender. This is an expensive dish in Chinese restaurants, but it is very easy to make it at home with around 1/3 of the cost. I love this dish very much. Give it a try and I hope you will like it too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!